The basic anatomy of the lungs is essential for anyone studying biology, including students in class 7. Here is a simplified explanation of the lungs anatomy. Number 1, location. The lungs, vital organs in the respiratory system situated on either side of the chest. Number 2, structure. Bronchiary. The trachea windpipe divided into two tubes called bronchi, one entering each lung. These bronchi further divided into smaller tubes known as bronchioles. Alveoli. At the end of bronchioles are tiny air cells called alveoli. Alveoli are essential for the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. They are surrounded by tiny blood vessels called capillaries. Number diaphragm, a dun-shaped muscle beneath the lungs, separating the chest cavity from the abdominal cavity. The diaphragm plays a circular role in breathing. Number 3, function. Inhalation. When you breathe in, the diaphragm contracts and moves downward. This increases the lung volume, creating low pressure area. Air rushes in through the nose and mouth down the trachea and into the bronchial tubes, reaching the alveoli gas exchange. In the alveoli, oxygen from the inhaled air passes through the thin walls of the alveoli and capillaries into the bloodstream. At the same time, carbon dioxide, a waste product from the body, moves from the blood into the alveoli to be exhaled. Exhalation. When you breathe out, the diaphragm relaxes and moves upward, decreasing the lung volume. This increases air the pressure. The lungs, forcing the air now rich in carbon dioxide or out the lungs and back through the respiratory tract to be expelled from the body. Understanding the basics anatomy and function the lungs is fundamental or grasping the process of respiration, which is essential for all living organisms including humans.